Hi and welcome to my channel. Have you ever had the problem that you need to move a headless form in a WinForms project? So if your form have a header, it's not a big issue. You can click on it and drag it with your mouse wherever you want. But what is if you want no header at all? Here is a quick and easy solution for you. To disable the header, you can change the form style to none. After that, we can go to the code behind section from your form. Here we create two new variables. The first constant represents the WM_ntxt message, which is sent when the system needs to know what part of the window is being interacted with, like resizing or moving the window. The second constant is set to 0 by 2, representing the title bar of the window. We use the existing method WndProc. This is a method that processes Windows messages sent to a form. By overriding this method, we can add custom handling for specific messages. Base WndProc calls the original WndProc method to ensure default behavior is preserved. Message is the identifier of the current message. In this case, it checks if message is equal to WM_ntxt. With the simple if statement, we can check if the WM_ntxt message is received, which typically means the user clicked or hovered on the window, by setting result equals height_caption. The code tells Windows to treat the area as if it's the title bar, or caption, of the window. As a result, the user can click and drag the form, even if there isn't a standard title bar, to move it around. This code snippet enables the form to be moved when clicking and dragging in the form's designated area, even if it doesn't have a traditional title bar. It's commonly used when building custom windows with unique headers or frameless designs. So I hope you find this small video helpful. If yes, just let me know in the comments or by give me a like. So don't forget. Have fun.